I'm Tafara. I'm a computer science student, just like most of you guys. And as you know, when you learn something interesting, for example, you can learn coding, right? And there's Java, that's a programming language. And as soon as you learn something new, you're interested to try and apply it somewhere, right? So when I learned Java at my school, I was very much excited and I was looking for ways to apply that new knowledge, right? Coding in its essence is just learning to solve problems, be it mathematics or a problem in the community, right? If it's business. We need a way for customers to connect directly with service providers using technology. And right now the technology that I have is Android, an Android application. And the name of the application is called FIXA. So FIXA is a mobile application that allows you to do a simple thing, to summon a professional service provider near you, right? That is my app. It's called FIXA. You can download it on Google Play Store. It's live now on Google Play. So if you just search for FIXA Zimbabwe. So the reason why I was sharing this app is because as a computer science student, right, there's this notion that you must not really study business because all you do is coding. You must be a nerd, you must be a computer geek. But at the end of the day, what you do as a computer science student is to make a product. If you go to Econet or any other company, they are making products. So the engineers are the people who make products, the computer scientists, but you need the skills to know how to introduce your products to the market. You need to test the idea.